What's up, my beautiful people? It's your boy Terry Siam, and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. As you can see, I'm not alone. I'm here with.
Hey, it's your girl Isihle, aka Pang.
Yeah. So, guys, as you can see by the caption, guys, we will be playing Never Have I Ever, guys. But I'm born now, ish. It's again. Who be you, man? Ish.
Of course.
Yeah. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification button so you can notify you when the next time I drop. Let's get into this video to 500 likes. Yeah, 500. Yeah.
Yes.
Let's go.
First I go whip out the bow. No, I can't hit on no brakes. My life is out of control. I'm telling you, nobody's safe. I've been living my life limbo. My ice.
Premier someone so high 5, so 10, so Emilisa. Then I will kill her yet to top on now. So it pushes it 10. I tried.
Make it sorry. Never. I am. Something. Okay, fine.
I'll try my time. I'm sorry, but I said share.
What's that you look record? Oh, good.
Someone so high
5.
10.
Oh.
Never have I ever had a fight in my school.
Primary years. But like it wasn't a big fight or anything. It was just.
So, you are school.
Yeah. My NSC, like, no.
Yeah, Shaban so.
My.
Be some now. When I was school, what did I do?
I don't know, man. Like,
Never have I ever sneak out.
did I? No.
You studio school?
No. Never. And I keep on getting tired. If I do made about Swadi, then I'm not gonna do it. Don't you? Who get hot telamazo?
Yeah, we should get some get that.
Okay.
Emily's.
Oh.
Never have I ever had a crush on my friend's BF or girlfriend.
Yo, the question say, yo, but I'm sorry though. Yeah, only such a man. It's too personal. But I love you though.
I feel like I'm going to so as a man. I'm shabam.
Ish. Negatively jealous me, but then it doesn't matter anyway. Two. It's 2.
I always see you.
Waroba.
I will. Is it in the crash between some?
Waroba, oh guys.
Never have I ever cheated.
No. I've never cheated. Like literally everyone like I can just think people never cheat and now guys I don't cheat. I don't. Literally. Like I don't promote cheating. I don't like it and I think it's wrong.
Hey, but you cheat the one.
Ma, can you ever shimani?
Lisile bashimane bashimane basile batla o use batla o betray.
Yo. So it's 2 fingers down.
You got me singing love songs. Oh, this the type of song you tip on photos and po up.
Okay.
Yeah. And make you fall in love song. That hate we hear what you own. Make you hit me up so.
No. Yo.
I see. Yeah, keep it very.
Bona, what if you want about to be Oh, it's
Come on,
2 fingers
16
down.
years.
No, guys, I never had one that's it's not easy.
How do you understand this?
Hey, how?
Never have I ever had a physical fight with my parents.
I would never. Not even once. No, guys, no. Who do all these questions? No, man. No.
Like, so like.
No, I would never. Come on, I can shut That's how I respect her. I would never do that.
Never have I ever dated someone who years older than
I have. That one is and sometimes I'm saying it's 5 years. I think 5, maybe years. Mara, if it's for yourself, then yes. But then, if I'm not going to what you're saying, but baby face. But then, if I'm not the mental fit like from like 1, 2, 3, 4 years only. Other than that,
Chop rice.
only 2 fingers down, guys. Get so sharp, level. I'm a good
my cocoa butter kisses, hope you smile.
Never have I ever dated two
Ain't
or
no
more
competition, just
at the same
compete
time.
for attention and you like. I'm not on no
like I said, guys. Not my love so
you ain't been the same life.
yo, say I get on over the way to
Who got your time? Who you been vibing with and why can't make you mine? You used to be texting me, checking me, calling me your slime. And now you treat me like
I want
less than a dime. And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever.
Mama, but like here, boy. Yo,
I told you I am down for
I mean,
the
who
worst
could
or
do
the
that?
better, but I keep sticking to you 'cause I'm for a stupid letter. Singing love songs.
What's the question?
You saw me singing
Never have I ever had a crush on your cousin.
You saw me singing love songs.
Dang. Wait, let me think about it. Cousin. Hey guys, there was just one cousin. Yo. Yo.
Butter kisses, hope you smile.
And when you know, guys, don't judge.
Competition, just
We
compete
all
for
have that one
attention
cousin.
and you
I have
like.
one cousin.
I'm not on no
So it's just 3 fingers down. So
ain't been the same.
I guess
Who been on your
I'm getting
mind?
too sharp.
Who got your time? Who you been vibing with and why can't make you mine? You used to be
We're doing
texting me,
good.
checking me, calling me your slime. And now you treat me like my worth less than a dime. And if we
Never
find
have
a
I
perfect
ever
picture, we can make it last
peed in the
forever.
shower.
The only one I want to wear my own sweater.
Now I have.
I am
You have to. Why would you go out to shower key and one clothes all over the toilet? Like, why?
Why over there about it? It's why we go.
No, we don't do that. Let's have some cats And guys, I know I'm not the only one. Not like you would intentionally, but like that.
You got me.
No, that's it. No. So it's 4 fingers down.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile.
Never
When
have I
it's
ever
ain't
cleaned
no
my beard.
competition, just competing for
No.
attention and you
Cap.
Papa, no kululum yan.
gains. Well,
Of
baby,
course.
I
So, yeah, we sell it so.
No.
Ewan na.
Making
Ewan na.
one.
So,
Making one.
who you been
so.
with and why can't make you
4 fingers down. So, but like, okay.
checking me,
Only
calling
5
me your
fingers.
slime.
Wow, wow.
Pero parang, hindi na kinaga mo talaga kan mag-isip.
Wow, wow.
Paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. You're the only one I want to wear my arms sweater. I told you I am down for
Never have I ever had a good song.
sticking to you 'cause I'm for a stupid letter. Singing love songs,
Never me. Same. Would you do it with me?
love songs. You got me singing love songs.
Ooh, guys. That's a good thing.
Yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you can notify you when the next time I drop. Follow her on the IG.
Esihlema Chiki.
And follow you guys.
Follow me. Do that.